Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maharani from Group 10, Class 4SC6. Project Group 10 is about reviews of implementation of Code Igniter in information system of product ordering and improvement of promotional media. First is system analysis. The implementation process in this paper carried out in development of product order information system is web-based PHP using Code Igniter or CI framework. The implementation of CI on product ordering information system has navigation feature that provide convenience in conducting transaction for visitor and customer that make it easier for admins to confirm orders compared to the previous conventional method. The product ordering information system consists of three main pages, such as admin page, process that product data, product categories, and manage user data. Visitor page that can search and view product type, product detail, and register as customer before placing any order. And customer page that can things that are not different from visitor. Customer have to register first before making purchase transaction. Customer also can editing account and profile. Web framework is a software framework that was developed in order to simplify the web development process and make it easier to build a website. It includes template capabilities that allows developer to present information within browser, provide an environment for scripting how information flow, and it also contains many application programming interface for gaining access to underlying data research. Next is the advantage and the disadvantage of framework. The advantage is open source, efficient, has a good level of support and high level of securities, include any integration feature that have the ability to allow developer link other tools such as database to framework. The disadvantage is very limited in terms of making change to web framework. Everything's from coding paragrams. Design is very restrictive. Some developers find it difficult to learn the language behind the web framework. Site is CodeIgniter is a powerful PHP framework with a very small footprint, built for developers who need a simple and elegant toolkit to create full-feature web application. It is a PHP MVC framework used for developing web application rapidly. CodeIgniter provides out-of-the-box libraries for connecting to database and performing various operations like sending email, uploading file, and managing season and etc. Feature on CodeIgniter. First is small footprint. The entire source code for CodeIgniter framework is close to 2 MB. That make it easier to master CodeIgniter and how it works. It also simplifies deploying and updating it. Blazing fast. Users tend to favor applications that load very fast. CodeIgniter can load on average around less than 50 ms. Loosely coupled. The built-in features are designed to work independently without relying too much, that make it easy to maintain and make upgrades. MVC architecture. PHP CodeIgniter framework use the Model View Controller architecture design or MVC. It is industry standard practice when working with web application. MVC separate the data, business logic, and presentation. Then, excellent documentation. The framework is well documented and there are many good books, tutorial, and answer from question on CodeIgniter. extendable. CodeIgniter comes with some libraries and helpers out of the box. Right? When user requests a research, the controller responds first. The controller understands the user request, then requests the necessary data. If necessary, the controller receives the request and then requests the models to receive the record. The models will return the record to controller. The controller forwards the result to the view, which format it into a human readable format, and then the results are returned to the user in the browser.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karina Natasha Darmawan from Group 10, Class 4, SC6. In here, I will explain the next slide of our project. In this slide is the definition of MVC. MVC architecture stands for Model View Controller Architecture that helps to split application into logical units, business and interface. MVC is an application design model comprised of three interconnected parts: the model, the view, and the controller. MVC provides the fundamental pieces for designing programs for desktop, mobile, and web application. It works well with object-oriented programming, or OOP, since different parts can be treated as objects and reused within an application. The next slide is the research method. The research method used is the descriptive method that systematically describes the facts and characteristics of object and subject being studied appropriately. This paper used research and development methods and used waterfall development model. There are three stages in this implementation, such as needs analysis that contains data collection from observation made by researchers to see the problem that exists in the field. The second stage is design stage. In the process that includes series of steps to cover all aspects of software being built. The last stage is implementation stage, that is the form of realizing the existing design is ready to be used. The next slide is data collecting techniques. Data collecting techniques in this implementation are interview, method of data by conducting question and answer as the object of research, observation, observe process by recording documents, reports that are still running conventionally. Observation also carried out to collect data on the aspect of functionality, reliability, efficiency, portability, and maintainability. The last technique is literature study method by studying the sources of related books that are summarized as writing references. The next slide is implementation system. There are 10 tables in this implementation database, such as table users, categories, confirmation, media, table pages, orders details, table products, settings, and table slides. There is relation that is interconnected between one table with another table. A lot of attributes depends on data contained in each table. The next slide is implementation page of admin. According to system design, there are three types of user, namely admin, customer, and visitor. Implementation in admin page is to manage data in the system, such as category data management, product data, customer data, and reports of history product order. Admin page display various menus for managing system, such as login page, product menu, category menu, and order menu. Admin also can view order details and change the order status as desired. In the last slide is the implementation page of customer and visitor. Public page is for customer and the visitor. This page has several menus for visitor, such as home menu, login, and product search. If it is for customer, there are several edition menus, such as profile, shopping history, edit account, and logout. If customer finish the order, customer is required to ensure the order has been processed by admin by transfer or making the payment transaction so admin can approve the orders. That's all from Group 10. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.